In a single day, 1.5 trillion Shiba Inu were moved from Coinbase. This enormous change caught the ship owners off guard. Greetings, space aficionados, return with a resounding yes. If this video is important to you, subscribe to the channel and give it a like. Stay tuned for the whole video. How about we jump right in? You said that the Shiba Inu network saw 1.5 trillion tokens move in a 24-hour period today, and I agree. Important for traders to keep an eye on these. Big transactions may signal future price changes. From what seems like a private wallet, substantial sums were sent, with one notable transaction transferring $53.8 billion SHIB, or around $1.36 million, to an unknown receiver. Looking for an internal transfer or preparation for a volatility rise. Another noteworthy movement comes from a Coinbase hot wallet with around 106.333 billion SHIB, which is around $2.65 million. Uniswap and Upbit are involved on the sender's end, which could indicate a change in liquidity or a shift in strategy through traders who deal in large quantities. These actions may indicate that big players are building up their holdings or are moving money around in reaction to or anticipation of market developments. It is difficult to assess the effect of these transfers on the price of the SHIB. Big money pouring into exchanges usually means sellers are getting ready to pounce, while money leaving can mean the exact opposite, like getting ready for a bullish movie or just being safe. Continuing with the equally crucial proc modifications for SHIB, we can now proceed. Using the $0.0221 level as support and the $0.2590 level as resistance, the SHIB chart reveals that the cryptocurrency is trading with a lot of volatility. Keeping SHIB's backing could put the current resistance to the test. A breakout above this, and maybe even sites, would indicate a bullish scenario. At the next resistance level of 2,774 cents, but if it breaks, we can see a drop to the bottom support level of 2,152 cents. Shiba Inu may be about to experience a rise in volatility, which should result in a price hike, according to the volume of recent transactions. Exciting news! The Shibarium development team has unveiled a new update. The Shiba Inu SHIB meme coin project team has hinted at a big hard fork happening with Shibarium. The protocol's creator, using its official X handle, announced the upgrade's impending launch on May 2nd and the arrival of new growth tracks for the Layer 2 scaling solution based on Ethereum will allow the L2 to unleash previously unattainable levels of capability. Simplifying engagements with Shibarium is the primary goal of this improvement, according to the team. Consequently, this is an attempt to live up to the community's expectations. Improvements to Shibarium's block processing times are one of the most anticipated changes. In response to community members' complaints about performance, we will also be implementing more predictable transaction fees. The official ShibToken Twitter account provided this screenshot. To make things more even and predictable for everyone, we are also reducing spikes in transaction fees during peak periods. Our platform will continue to be affordable and accessible because of this. This is ShibToken. We have reached the final segment of this video. Sending best wishes, Shibami. With 400 million transactions, Shibarium has recently achieved a significant milestone. Where are the token businesses that were promised, though? That is the pressing question. Get ready for something big, for there has been a dramatic change in the Shiba Inu ecology. With all these big things happening, staying up late is just the norm. Is there a major revelation? Why could those trillions of tokens eventually crash and burn? Allow me to clarify. Important notice. The Shiba Inu development team made a daring move around 6 months ago through the introduction of Shibarium, a scaling solution for Layer 2. Built originally on the Ethereum network, Shiba Inu encountered a major obstacle when Ethereum's popularity skyrocketed. Transaction fees skyrocketed because of the proliferation of Ethereum-based projects, which drove up petrol prices to absurd levels. Think about this. So you're thinking about sending a pal of Shiba Inu that's only worth $1? Which adds out to more than $50 in petrol fees for the Ethereum network. The Shiba Inu team saw a need for a replacement and came up with Shibarium, a Layer 2 solution that claims rates that are almost free and typically equal to a fraction of a penny. However, you need to grasp this. You can't compare Shibarium to other blockchains. Among its main objectives is the destruction of Shiba Inu, my native token. With the support of the Shiba Inu team, the gas token used on Shibarium is named Bone. For Shibarium to be able to convert 70% of the gas fee revenue into Shiba Inu, they will need to sell Shiba Inu tokens and burn them. Everyone is aware of how the Shiba Inu community is waiting with bated breath for the Shiba Inu token to reach 1 penny or higher. There is, however, a barrier. Over $500 trillion is available in a huge quantity. After more than 6 months of operation, Shibarium has reached a significant milestone: 400 million transactions. The problem persists with the current method of burning Shiba Inu tokens. The development team has spent over $400,000 on Shiba Inus taken straight from Shibarium's petrol fee earnings, yet it hasn't cut into the token supply nearly enough. Therefore, what gives? A lot of individuals probably don't think $400,000 is a little sum. Your second point is that the Shiba Inu was unaffected by the fire. The sole effect of this blaze was to increase demand for Shiba Inus, which led to a little increase in their price. The present market valuation of Shiba Inu, which is almost $22 billion, is a mere 9. Is it therefore a failure of Shibarium? Well, it's not finished yet. As of late, having passed the 400 million transaction mark, the statistic for total value locked is the missing piece. With Shibarium's present total locked value hovering around a paltry $1 million, transactions within this novel layer to solution are, to put it bluntly, exceedingly inexpensive. Envision yourself indulging in a sumptuous lunch at a fine dining establishment. Now the bill arrives, and it's only $1 instead of the anticipated 3-digit amount. Indeed, what you heard was accurate, just $1. This is similar to how fees are collected from Shibaria transactions. Because transactions are so inexpensive and the current TVL is only $1 million, the fees produced are negligible. However, everything is going to change. A massive set of solutions has been arranged by the Shiba Inu developers in order to completely detonate the present value of Shibarium. If you recall, Shidoshi Kusama himself has stated that, when activated, Shibarium might destroy trillions of Shiba Inu tokens, which would completely alter the project's trajectory. At the vanguard of a groundbreaking innovation are 1 trillion Shiba Inu tokens, which are already worth about $40 million. Beyond merely 1 trillion, there is a promise. That being said, trillions plural. Additionally, a huge change is about to occur. I am not making a mere promise. It's a plan for a monumental change that may be happening very soon. Everyone is on the edge of their seat. Everything is on the line, and you may be asking, what is this revolutionary plan that could bring about such a profound change? I won't ruin it for you just yet, but this could alter your view of Shiba Inus forever. Please do not leave until you have seen the entire video. Believe me when I say you should not miss this. After locking Shibarium at an unparalleled level of value, how exactly do the Shiba Inu developers intend to increase its total worth? An excellent tactic would be to provide an invitation to other cryptocurrency projects so that they can build upon Shibarium. Imagine it as a thriving metropolis that is constantly welcoming new companies. There will be more individuals involved, more projects, and more growth in the end. I completely agree with this strategy. To start with, it adds new ideas and capabilities to the Shibarium ecology, making it more diverse. Second, it helps Shibarium attract new communities and users, which makes the network livelier and more dynamic. Third, along with the growth and improvement of these initiatives and their effects on the environment, a dramatic rise in TVL fuels the burning mechanism, which in turn reduces the supply of Shiba Inu tokens as a result of the cumulative impact. Even though Shibarium is currently hosting some impressive projects, that isn't enough to make it truly shine. Nevertheless, new information has now surfaced. A prominent participant has declared its intention to join Shibarium soon. There has been a lot of excitement about this new finding, and Shibarium has promised to increase its TVL metric by a factor of 50, which would mean an astounding injection of $50 million into the system. The stakes are quite high, and this will transform the game. Such promising expansion in TVL points to an impending breakthrough. Now that we've cleared the path, we can burn trillions of Shiba Inu tokens.